is a breathing dysfunction and needs to be addressed. Sooner or later it will develop into sleep apnea. There is high chance of progressing into much severe condition. So many people think snoring is normal because everyone is snoring and you can't really do much about it. But I want to tell you that you can do a lot about it depending on what type of snoring it is. If it's nasal snoring or mouth snoring, we look at the different trainings and different solutions. So let's say if it's a snoring because you've got physical obstruction, like the tongue is falling back, possibly the tongue is restricted with the tie, commonly known as a tongue tie, there is a higher chance of the base of the tongue falling back to the airways, especially if you're lying on your back. And when we're talking about nasal snoring, that's more to do with hyperventilation and sorry, I just got a spider on me. More to do with the hyperventilation. I hate spiders. Still can't get to terms that there's so many spiders in Australia, but all right. So there is some restriction with the nasal snoring that's more to do with hyperventilation syndrome, possibly overbreathing, possibly getting that air too fast, causing that vibration, which is the snoring. And we can definitely work on it. So there is specific breathing training we do. There is some myofunctional exercises you can do to strengthen those muscles around. So there is plenty to do. You just need to have willingness to do those exercises. And it's definitely something which needs to be addressed, because even though you might think it's normal, I'm just tired so I snore more, or my child was just exhausted after the whole day of playing and it's normal because I snore, everyone snores. It's not normal, and we should definitely address that before we end up with back pain, shoulder pain, jaw pain, TMJ issues, clicking and popping. So you probably as an adult know someone or yourself experiencing those issues, and it's not very pleasant if you need to go to physiotherapy every month, get yourself massage every second week or so. It's not normal that we should be relying on chiro, physio, massage and so on so much like we do these days. So get yourself sorted. Message me if you have any questions, and hopefully your snoring will be resolved soon and you will improve quality of your sleep.